there, it's Hannah with WTI. The older I get, the more I need sunglasses on because I squint my eyes in the sun and I'm getting more and more wrinkles. And this set by Lasiyanor has made me so happy. I feel happy just putting these glasses on. A couple things I really love about them is just how cute they are. They have this beautiful gradient blue and pink, and the reflection in them is green, which is my favorite color. And I like that they're reflective because I can watch people, and unless they're super close to me, they can't tell I'm watching them. Always fun. So whether I'm swimming at the pool or I am driving, I love having these glasses conveniently next to me. They're lightweight, they're comfortable to have on. I have a bit of a wider head, and these don't feel like they're squishing my brains in. It also comes with a really nice little bag to keep them in, a cleaner, and this really nice box. So if you're looking for a way to protect your eyes, look cool, be happy, these glasses are perfect for you. Tons of colors no matter what your taste is, but that's just my point of view.